Look what I just received from Tape King. It's a packing tape gun, and it has a nice ergonomic handle, as well as it will fit packing tape 3 inches in diameter. And it also has a tension control here that you can adjust to make it run more freely or tighter too. And it also has this area right here that you can pull down, so it allows for the tape to get threaded very easily. Upon first use, you're going to notice that there's a safety cover on top of the blade. Once you remove that, we're going to thread this tape through the bottom. And you can also lift this down to make it thread more easily. And now we are ready to tape up a box. So easy, and then you just flip your wrist like that, and there you go. So perfect. Definitely pleased with this. And if you want to reinforce the box again, you can always just remove a little piece just like this and put it on the side edge. Just like that. Now your box is secure and ready for shipping. This is perfect for packing, moving, and shipping too. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.